Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the popcorn stripes crochet pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a double crochet and a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on those stitches. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 6 plus 5. Next, you're going to chain 2 and you are going to work a double crochet in the next 5 chains. Next, you are going to work a 5 double crochet cluster. So what that means is you're going to loop over, pull through 1, pull through 2, but you're going to leave your last loop on your work. And you're going to keep doing this until you have 6 loops on your crochet hook, and then you're going to pull through all 6 loops at once. I didn't quite get it there. Let's try that again. There we go. Then you are going to work 5 double crochets in the next 5 stitches to the end of the row. So the repeat for this pattern is actually going to be working your 5 double crochet cluster followed by 5 double crochets in the next 5 stitches. So you start off with 5 and then you work your double crochet, your cluster, and then followed by 5 double crochets. Row 2, you chain 1 and you single crochet all the way to the end of your row. So the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 2 through 3. All right, so let's turn our work and we are going to chain 2. And just like before, we are going to work 5 double crochets to start off our work in the next 5 stitches. Then we're going to start the repeat for this row, which is going to be working a 5 double crochet cluster in 1 stitch. Then we are going to work 5 double crochets, and this will bring us to the end of our row. And as you may have noticed that this pattern only has the texture on one side, it is not reversible, unfortunately. So your clusters will only be on one side. You can see the texture here. And that is how you do the popcorn stripes stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.